Morning. It's Martin Luther King Day. I gave the team the day off, but I have a sign that I got to install. I may have talked about in an earlier video. I can't remember if I posted this or not. But one of my goals this year is to create more partnerships with people, especially for installations. So I have a partnership with a company that's going to do vehicle wraps for us. So pretty stoked about that. It's a client of mine. We're doing that this Saturday for the first time. So I'm gonna do a video on that. But the other issue is we do a lot of 5x10 signs or 8x4 signs, and we don't have a bucket truck. So if we have to rent a lift, then that means, we gotta spend $350 renting a lift to put up one sign. So the expense of that gets kind of crazy. But I made a relationship with a guy that's got a bucket truck, and so he could do this install for a new restaurant that's desperate to open up. I'll show you the sign we got going on. All right, we got two of these that are going up. I've pre-drilled the holes, and I just got to run by Lowe's, get some more Tapcon screws. That went so great having Mike install the sign for us. I didn't have to rent a lift. I just rented the guy with the lift, which was amazing. Worked out a lot better price-wise. And eventually I'll just be able to send Mike out and I won't even have to be there, and it'll save time as well, which will be fantastic. Right now I'm working on some more signage. I'm doing this one the old school way. I got some cut vinyl, but I also got some new school where I did print, laminate, cut, custom contour cut. And so we're gonna put together a little 8x4 sign over here, the old school way, and hopefully get this up and running for this client because they wanna do a grand opening soon and they're waiting on us to get our sign stuff done. Want to know how big of an idiot I am? This thing right here, this little roller for transfer tape. I would have this off light here, and when you pull it, obviously it just pops right off. And I'm just like, I just don't get the design of this thing. And the other day I saw a picture of one of these things, and it was installed with this here, and I'm like, duh. Oh my God, I'm such an idiot. That's why I say my channel is not for those looking to learn from an expert. My channel is for those that are looking to learn from someone else's mistakes. Okay, this sign will go something kind of like that. All right, so just checking out the mock-up for reference on how to line this up. I think I got it. Stop it.